I just finished servicing this vintage. This would have been made right around World War II Karl Griesbaum singing birdcage. Notice it has the wider loop feet, indicating an older example. Everything on this cage is 100% original except for the flowers and foliage, which I did replace because the original flowers and foliage were really rough shape. I gave the cage what I call a gentle restoration, which provides some appropriate luster while also maintaining some of the patina. Let's go ahead and watch it play. We'll start off on the pause feature. You guys want to make sure the pause feature works, because that indicates that the bellows operate as they should. Nice long pause. I'm going to switch to continuous. So the bird sings with full voice, yet the mechanism runs smoothly and quietly. Original bird feathers that cleaned up very nicely. It's a nice piece. Go ahead and turn it off. So in summary, a vintage, circa early 1940s Karl Griesbaum singing birdcage in very nice condition. Take care.